Tired of competing with thousands of creators? These 10 hidden gem niches are flying under the radar, perfect for beginners who want to stand out from day one. In this video, we're sharing niche ideas nobody's talking about, all with low barriers to entry, real demand, and room to grow. But here's the secret. There are tons of hidden gem niches flying under the radar. Niches with real demand, happy audiences, and almost no competition. Today we're sharing 10 of them, all perfect for newbies, no experience needed, and most can be started with $0. Let's dig in. Niche number 1, vintage tech repair for collectors. Everyone is talking about repairing the latest smartphones, gaming consoles, and laptops. But there's an audience that often gets overlooked, vintage tech collectors. It's a niche with a passionate community, relatively low competition, and plenty of opportunities to build a loyal audience.
Sometimes the best niche isn't the newest trend. It's serving an audience everyone else has overlooked.
Why it's a hidden gem. Less than 50 channels on YouTube focus only on this. How to start. Use free tutorials to learn basics, film repairs with your phone. Monetize. Charge for repairs, sell replacement parts, or create a course for other repairers. Start with phone camera plus basic tools, $20 max. Niche number 2, small space gardening for RV owners. Gardening is a popular niche, but gardening for RV owners is a much more specific audience with unique needs.
People who live in or travel in RVs often want to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, or decorative plants, but they face challenges that traditional gardening advice doesn't cover. They have limited space, travel frequently, and need to manage water, sunlight, and storage efficiently. That's where your content can make a real difference. You could create videos on compact garden setups, portable planters, low-maintenance plants, water-saving techniques, seasonal growing tips, and DIY solutions designed specifically for life on the road. By focusing on this niche, you're not just teaching gardening, you're solving real problems for a passionate community. And that's often what helps a channel stand out and build a loyal following.
Why it's a hidden gem. Only a handful of blogs/videos focus on this niche. How to start. Test plants in your own small space first. Film in a friend's RV. Monetize. Sell printable planter designs. Partner with RV gear brands. Create a membership site. Start with free seeds plus recycled containers, $0. Niche number 3, audiobooks for kids who don't enjoy reading. Reading isn't every child's favorite activity, but many kids still love a good story. That's what makes this niche so interesting.
Instead of focusing on books, create engaging audio stories designed for children who learn better by listening. You can produce original adventures, bedtime stories, educational tales, or interactive stories that spark imagination while improving listening and language skills. Parents are always looking for screen-free entertainment that keeps their children engaged, especially during car rides, bedtime, or quiet time. With creative storytelling and consistent uploads, this niche offers a unique way to educate, entertain, and build a loyal audience.
Why it's a hidden gem. Most kids' audio content is for strong readers. How to start. Write short stories, record with free software, use royalty-free music. Monetize, sell on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Create a Patreon. Partner with teachers. Start with phone mic plus free audio software, $0. Niche number 4, budget home gyms for renters. Home fitness is a popular niche, but budget home gyms designed specifically for renters remain largely untapped. Many renters want to stay fit without spending thousands of dollars or making permanent changes to their living space. They need affordable, compact, and apartment-friendly workout solutions that are easy to set up and move. Your content could feature budget equipment reviews, no-drill storage ideas, space-saving gym layouts, renter-friendly workout routines, and DIY fitness setups. By helping people create effective home gyms without breaking the bank or risking their security deposit, you'll attract an audience looking for practical, realistic fitness solutions. Why it's a hidden gem. Most gym content ignores renter constraints. How to start. Test gear in your own space. Film setup tutorials. Monetize. Affiliate links for budget gear. Sell printable workout plans. Offer virtual consultations. Start with $5 resistance band plus phone camera, $5. Niche number 5, hand-lettered labels for small businesses. Custom packaging is becoming increasingly important, And many small businesses want their products to stand out with a personal, handcrafted touch. That's where hand-lettered labels come in. This niche focuses on creating beautiful labels, tags, stickers, and packaging designs that give products a unique and memorable identity. You could share hand lettering tutorials, design tips, lettering techniques, material recommendations, and branding ideas for small business owners. You can also showcase real client projects and before and after transformations. It's a creative niche with growing demand, low competition, and opportunities to earn through digital products, commissions, courses, or design services. Why it's a hidden gem. Most lettering content is for personal use. How to start. Practice with free paper, film process videos. Monetize. Sell custom labels, create printable templates, teach workshops. Start with pen plus paper, $3.
Stay until the end of this video because I have a free gift that will make choosing and growing your niche much easier.
Niche number 6, retro video game recipe tutorials. Gaming and cooking are both popular niches, but combining them creates a fun, unique concept. Retro video game recipe tutorials recreate food inspired by classic games from the 80s and 90s, such as pixel-themed desserts, nostalgic snacks, or meals featured in iconic titles. You can also design recipes that match the style and atmosphere of retro gaming. Your content could include cooking tutorials, gaming trivia, themed kitchen challenges, and taste tests. This niche appeals to gamers, food lovers, and nostalgia enthusiasts alike. With creativity and storytelling, you can build a loyal audience around a fresh idea that few creators are exploring. Why it's a hidden gem. Most gaming food focuses on modern games. How to start. Test simple recipes. Use free game art for inspiration. Monetize. Sell recipe ebooks. Partner with retro game stores. Create a YouTube channel. Start with basic ingredients plus phone camera, $10 max. Niche number 7, accessibility hacks for digital tools. Most tech channels focus on the latest features, but very few highlight accessibility tools that make technology easier for everyone to use. This niche is all about sharing practical tips, hidden settings, and productivity hacks for people with visual, hearing, motor, or learning challenges, as well as anyone who wants a more efficient digital experience. You could create tutorials on built-in accessibility features, voice controls, screen readers, captions, keyboard shortcuts, and AI-powered assistive tools. By making technology more inclusive and easier to navigate, you'll serve an audience with real needs while building a channel that provides meaningful, lasting value. Why it's a hidden gem. Almost no content focuses on practical accessibility hacks. How to start. Research free tools, film screen recordings. Monetize. Create tutorial courses, partner with tech brands, offer consulting. Start with free screen recording software, $0. Niche number 8, seasonal decor for rental homes. Home decor is a competitive niche, but seasonal decorating for rental homes is a specific audience with unique needs. Renters often want to decorate for holidays and changing seasons without painting walls, drilling holes, or making permanent changes. Your content can showcase budget-friendly decorating ideas, removable decor, DIY projects, space-saving solutions, and renter-friendly styling tips for every season. You could also share before and after room transformations and affordable shopping finds. By helping renters create beautiful, personalized spaces while protecting their lease agreements, you'll attract a loyal audience looking for practical inspiration they can actually use. Why it's a hidden gem. Most decor content is for homeowners. How to start. Test decor in your own rental. Film setup tutorials. Monetize. Sell printable decor templates. Affiliate links for rental-safe products. Offer virtual styling. Start with $10 worth of craft supplies. Niche number 9, language learning for specific hobbies. Most language learning content teaches everyday conversations, but language learning for specific hobbies targets a much more focused audience. Imagine lessons designed for photographers, gamers, gardeners, cooks, or travelers who want to learn vocabulary related to what they already enjoy. Your content could include hobby-specific phrases, common expressions, pronunciation guides, cultural tips, and real-world practice scenarios. This approach makes learning more engaging because students immediately apply what they learn to their interests. By combining language education with popular hobbies, you'll attract motivated learners looking for practical lessons that traditional language courses often overlook. Why it's a hidden gem. Most language content is general. How to start. Research hobby terms in a language you know. Create flashcard videos. Monetize. Sell themed language guides. Create a membership site. Partner with hobby brands. Start with Free flashcard software, $0. Niche number 10, upcycled pet toys and accessories. Pet owners love spoiling their furry friends, but many also want affordable and eco-friendly alternatives to store-bought products. That's where upcycled pet toys and accessories come in. This niche focuses on transforming old clothes, fabric scraps, cardboard, and other household items into safe, creative toys, beds, leashes, and pet accessories. Your content could feature DIY tutorials, safety tips, upcycling ideas, and budget-friendly projects for dogs, cats, and other pets. By combining sustainability with pet care, you'll appeal to environmentally conscious pet owners who enjoy crafting while saving money and reducing household waste. By combining sustainability with pet care, you'll appeal to environmentally conscious pet owners who enjoy crafting while saving money and reducing household waste. Why it's a hidden gem. Most pet gear content focuses on buying new products. How to start. Upcycle items from home, film tutorial videos. Monetize, sell handmade gear, create printable patterns, partner with eco-pet brands. Start with recycled materials from home, $0. Now, let's do a quick recap of all 10 hidden gem niches nobody's talking about, because your next successful YouTube channel could be hiding in one of them. Niche number 1, vintage tech repair for collector. Niche number 2, small space gardening for RV owners. Niche number 3, audiobooks for kids who don't enjoy reading. Niche number 4, budget home gyms for renters. Niche number 5, hand-lettered labels for small businesses. Niche number 6, retro video game recipe tutorials. Niche number 7, accessibility hacks for digital tools. Niche number 8, seasonal decor for rental homes. Niche number 9, language learning for specific hobbies. Niche number 10, upcycled pet toys and accessories. All right, and here's the free gift I promised. To help you choose the right niche, I've created the Focus Finder Niche Evaluation Matrix. It's a free resource designed to help you compare hidden gem niches and identify the one that best matches your skills, interests, and goals. Your free template is waiting for you. Just click the link in the description below to download it. If you have any trouble accessing it, simply leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.
Which of these hidden gem niches best matches your skills, interests, and goals? Leave your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll reply with personalized tips too.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Focus Finder for more niche ideas, tips, and templates. Ring the bell so you never miss our weekly uploads. See you next time!